Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the continuation of the previous video, today we will discuss about the benefits of Osmum sanctum in homeopathy. Osmum sanctum is a well-known homeopathic medicine. Its mother tincture 3x, 6x, 30, 200 and higher potencies are available, but its mother tincture is widely prescribed by physicians over its potencies. Mother tincture of the drug can be administered to any patient suffering from any particular symptom or symptoms of disease that medicine exhibits. But when potentized medicine is administered to the patient, the case history of the individual patient is important to be known. Osmum sanctum in homeopathy is a good replacement of tuberculinum, bacillum and sulfur. The important mental symptom of Osmum sanctum is forgetfulness. Forgetfulness is so grave that the patient forgets to do their daily tasks and even they make mistakes in talking. Here 200 potency once a week is good to cure. Osmum sanctum is excellent remedy in influenza and fever associated with cough and diarrhea. Osmum sanctum is useful in remittent fever as well as intermittent fevers. In all stages of fever, patient feels acute pain all over the body, soreness of muscles with severe headache. In remittent fever like typhoid fever, there is marked chilliness with delirium, drowsiness, and comatose condition. Patient hiccups with chilliness. In typhoid fever, lips become dry, blackish as if burnt, and middle of the tongue is thickly coated in center with red on sides. In intermittent fever like malaria etc., the stages shows following symptoms. In cold stage of fever, patient shivers. They are so much chilly that even when exposed to sun or direct heat, their chilliness does not disappear. Both of their hands and feet become very cold and it is difficult to warm them. During hot stage of fever, patient feels burning sensation. Extreme heat and flashes of heat are felt all over the body, especially on face and eyes. There is marked burning in palms and soles, which is relieved by a cold breeze or cold washing. Besides this, top of the head becomes hot. After heat, sweat breaks out. Let's know more about headache symptoms of Osmum sanctum. In headache, patient feels relief by pouring cold water over the head and fanning. In this condition, give Osmum sanctum mother tincture to the patient, 5 drops at the interval of 1 to 2 hours in 1/4 cup of water. Acute cases of chillen can be easily treated by the use of this medicine. It is good for infants and children who are suffering from cough, cold, fever, bronchitis, bronchopneumonia, whooping cough and asthma. The special mental symptom of children to be noted are that they are irritable, always cry and become quiet when they are being carried. They are peevish, start from sleep and do not allow physicians to examine them. Sanctum cures influenza where there is frequent sneezing, nostrils ulcerated and blood comes out from nose with rotten pus. In case of children with asthma, a rattling sound comes from the chest. Coughing and sneezing increases the pain in the chest, more in the middle of the chest. Lying straight increases discomfort, but it relaxes by leaning forward. When the patient experiences pain in throat while speaking and coughing, also the pain increases when patient swallows something. Osmum sanctum is one of the medicine to be given. If the tonsils remain enlarged and bright mucus comes out on hawking, Osmum sanctum acts well. It is useful medicine in children's toothache, where pain increases at night and bad odor comes from the mouth. Important symptoms of Osmum sanctum to be noted are: the child gets urinary and bowel movement unknowingly during high fever, infants having ulcer in mouth and diarrhea. Diarrhea sets up during high fever where stool is clay colored and blood or blood stains are seen with the stool. Osmum sanctum treats bad odor from the mouth. Osmum sanctum works well on intestinal worms and enuresis in children. Eye symptoms are important where eyes are congested red and there may be lacrimations as seen in common cold. Leukorrhea and uterine complications are possibly avoided if Osivum sanctum is used after delivery. The blood coming out of delivery is very smelly and of strange color. Menstrual period lasts long with heavy bleeding. Menses and leukorrhea alternate. 2 to 20 drops of mother tincture of this medicine in pure water 3 to 4 times a day is prescribed. One's age, physical state, and severity of the disease should be kept in mind before administering and repetition of the medicine. It is always better to take physician's advice before medication. That's all for Osivum Sanctum. Thank you for joining us. Best wishes for your health.